Hi guys, I'm back with the main video which I talked about in my YouTube short earlier, and this is going to be the main video, and probably will take some time to explain where exactly we are in the chart. So I would like to go first with the higher time frame to explain where we are right now, and as per the Elliott wave on this chart, we are done with all the waves towards the upside here. And that was the top, the fifth wave. We have already topped in October here, October 6th. And I'm not going to get into a smaller time frame of this bull market here because this is already done. I'm going to remove it. For me now, what's more important is to analyze this structure which we are already in right now, and that is this downtrend. So talking about this downtrend, what I see is we have a wave 1 and a 2. This is going to be the 3, 4, 5. Are we finished at this part? I don't think so, because each wave, the main wave, should have a sub wave. So I think we still have a down move coming soon. So I'm gonna keep this 5 as to be here. And why I'm talking about that we still have one more move to the downside is because I don't see that this fifth wave finished. I see this is as a one wave, 2, we finished here, and this is going to be the 3, and 4, we might get a move up here, which I'm really waiting for, around 72,000 or even 75. This is still going to be okay, and then we can get a move towards the downside here, and then we can finish this all 5 waves, which will combiningly or combined could be the main wave from the top being just a wave finished here, and then we still have to go towards the upside, clear some of the liquidity here, all this liquidity laying here, and then get a bigger dump to the downside. Don't look at this 43,976 because that is not the target. We will talk about this target. I am thinking maybe we will get a move down to 25k to 34k. This is my target, so I'm gonna put somewhere here 30k. Now this is the longer time frame analysis, but I will have to go and talk about a cluster which I was talking about in my YouTube short video, and that's actually in another chart. Let me check. I think it's this chart. Oh no, not this one, probably this one. Yes, this one. So since we have already talked about the higher time frame chart, which was here, that I'm expecting a move towards the upside first and then to the downside. We could be dumping from here directly, or we could come down here around this area where we have the wick. This wick proves that we have some trapped traders down. So the price action might come down here and just keep going up and then dump from there onwards, which proves my second scenario. Let me clear this drawing, and I will draw. There were 2 scenarios which I was talking about in my channel before. This was being A, and this is B, and then I was eyeing one more move up as a C. And the second scenario was, this was the bottom, same, this is gonna be A, and the B move yet to be printed on this chart. So from here we could go up and clear around 72, 73, 74, even 75k. So this is the move which I was waiting for. Moving on from this chart to the cluster which I was talking about, that is this one. And right now what I see is this structure playing out here, and I'm still waiting for this impulsive move to the upside. We are still not sure if we're gonna get this impulsive move to the upside or not, or we just can keep dumping from here. But this is what I see at this moment, and I want to get into the smaller time frame and explain why I see this move. So for that, we have to go 4 hourly time frame. This is may not be enough to see the structure correctly, so I'm gonna make it even more smaller time frame. That's gonna be 1 hourly time frame, and let's remove this. Yes, yes, we remove everything from the chart, and let me remove these structures also. So that would make it more clear, and we will begin from the beginning. I will keep this arrow, and I will keep this impulsive move to the upside. I can even remove these fib extensions. So now, what do we see here? In the previous analysis, if you remember, I have measured this move. This is to be bottom here, and this could be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. I was talking about this is being impulsive move to the upside. But right now, I don't see this one as an impulsive move, because we have lots of correction going on in this fourth leg, which is really unfinished at this moment. And I would want to take this move to the upside as an ABC. This could be an ABC move to the upside, and another ABC correction to the downside, a flat correction. Yeah, let's go a little bit more to understand this correction. A correction down, a correction up, a correction down. So you could understand that this is also another ABC inside B to C structure. A, B, C. So this was 1, A, B, C. So this was 2. So yeah. Okay, let's change the color to green. Yeah. So these are the corrections inside an ABC, which gives us this ABC structure here, this entire ABC. And this is only from B to C, the main wave to the downside. So now getting into, you even can make an ABC at this place, A, B, C to the upside. And if we talk about this move, this entire move here, I think even a child can say this is impulsive. I mean, a beginner trader would also say, sorry, a child cannot say this, but a beginner trader would also say that this is impulsive, because you can clearly see here a 5-wave move up. And I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No doubt we have 1, 2, 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. But I'm just gonna use that green 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a completed wave. So let me delete this yellow part here, and let's continue. And since we have already drawn this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the move upside, I consider this to be an A. From here down, this move is an A. And this is going to be the B, move downside. We are going to go to the correction part, and I will just draw first so that you understand what I'm expecting at this moment, why I come to this conclusion. So once we finish this part here, we have to talk about this part, and now what's going on this part. So let's remove this yellow color marker, and let's get into detail of this part here. This part looks like more similar to the part where we just explained here, because this is almost similar here. This is also going to be an ABC at this part here. Oh, what did I do? Yep. So this is also going to be an ABC. So let's get into it. So now, what do I see here? A correction down, a correction up, a correction down. Very simple. From here top, a correction down is here, a correction up, that is B, a correction down, that is C. Let's change the color to orange. Yep. We have to delete this so the chart would not be so messy. So this is what I see, an ABC correction to the downside. If you can see the chart in its entirety, that you can see multiple ABC corrections here, ABC, ABC, and this is going to be the impulsive, and ABC to the downside. So what I'm expecting here, an impulsive move to the upside. If this part here, if I say, I mean, a lot of traders going to be disagreeing with me, saying that this part is an ABC. Yes, I don't think that this is also ABC, but this could be also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished here, and we still could be playing an ABC. Does not matter if this is an ABC. Does not matter if this is an ABC or no, but we are already finished here. This place we are already finished with the 5-wave move up. So let's take it out from the chart. Okay. So going back. So since we have already finished until here, we have to talk about this part now. As of now, I see this part here being an 1, 2, 1, 2. I have already drawn here, and I'm expecting 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Sweep this liquidity, and then come back and sweep this liquidity, and then go up and sweep this liquidity. And this 1, 2, 1, 2 structure is only valid if this 2, which we are putting right now, should not go beyond this 2. Then that would be a 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we can move towards the upside. Now we have to go even more smaller time frame, or we can just zoom the chart and understand what's going on here. So the subscribers of this channel already know how we draw this fib levels and how we get into MC levels to get into a long trade. Short is usually on 618 or 0.65. So my last order where I went long was here. I got in here. And now we have another MC level from here to here. If we draw the MC level from here to the next bottom, so where we are right now, this is an MC level. Even this is the second MC level. So the price can come until here and then bounce. It's still fine. We are still playing 1, 2, 1, 2. Until the price is higher than this bottom, we are okay. But if the price crosses down here, then there will be likelihood that we are going even more lower, around 62,700 region. Now I want to draw fib extensions to show what are those targets for the downside. I mean, how much this price could plummet here. Are we already bottoming, or we still have further to go to cross this MC level 2? So we have to check with our fib levels to understand if we are longing at this area and if that is correct or no. To understand if we have bottom, we have to take the fibs from this area to the next bottom and to the top here. And if you can see that we have already hit the 0786 area here. This is the wick here. I mean, we definitely could hit 66,825 also. But if we have crossed this area, this bottom, that means the 1212 theory is invalidated. As of now, everything is good, so we are good to take a long order from here to the upside. And now going back to our original cluster that we are in, what do I see is a big ABC correction to the upside, A being this one and then B here followed by a C. I'm going to change this color to, let's say, blue. So I am long at this point now around this area, and I'm expecting the price to go and clear these liquidity at this top. So I have already break down this structure and already given you the analysis which I'm looking at right now, and that's the update for today. If I see something else in the chart developing, I will definitely let you know. And I have a community in the Telegram. I will show you here. And usually this is the free signal community where I give my signals why we have to long or short. But this community is just fresh, and I have limited people only can get in. And I will put this link on my next YouTube video. Until then, guys, have a good time and enjoy.